Hey, how you doing? Want to talk to you about aspect ratios today because a lot of people are getting confused about this. What is an aspect ratio? Why should you care about it? And where should you be using which one? Well, really, it's got a lot easier recently because there's only two aspect ratios you need to think about: 16 by 9 and 9 by 16. 16 by 9 is what you're looking at right now. 16 across the top, 9 down the side. And then we flip it over. There you go. Oh, hang on. That's better. 9 by 16 is this way. 9 across the top, 16 down the side. Let's go back to 16 by 9. So where should you be using this format, 16 by 9? And where should you be using 9 by 16? Well, it's pretty easy, really. If you're on YouTube or Vimeo, unless you're posting a short, you need to be in 16 by 9. Lots of good reasons for that. YouTube is classically more of a full frame, cinematic experience, higher quality imagery. You can watch YouTube in 4K, and a lot of people watch YouTube on their televisions and on computers and on tablets. And I know a lot of people watch YouTube on their phones too, but YouTube flips it for you. So if you turn your phone around, the aspect ratio turns around as well. So you're watching it in 16 by 9. So therefore, posting 16 by 9 covers all formats. Unless you're posting a short, they're really for mobile users more. So therefore, you want to be posting in 9 by 16. Never post 16 by 9 on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. If you do that, and TikTok, if you're doing that on any of those formats, then come around my house and I'll give you a slap around the face, because it really damages your performance. Most people watch social media, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, that way around. If your video is in the middle of that little space, it's going to look teeny tiny like this. And it's going to be really hard to view, and people are going to get bored with it. Whereas if you post in 9 by 16, it's going to fill the entirety of your screen, and people are going to be able to see the whole thing. It's more immersive and just looks a whole lot better. Now, there's one other thing to think about when you're posting, in particular on TikTok and Instagram, and a little bit on other formats too. It's what I call furniture. So around your screen, if you're in 9 by 16, there's a few things to think about. Usually if you're in Instagram, for instance, you've got some icons down the bottom here, so you can like and comment and share and all those things. Then underneath, right at the very bottom, you've got a little bit of text. So that's the top of your captions, or the first line of your captions, and maybe a little bit more information. And there's a few little things up the top as well. So make sure when you're posting on Instagram, in particular, and other formats of a similar thing too, that your important stuff, so all the stuff that you really want people to pay attention to, like you and maybe your captions and your graphics and all those kind of things, doesn't fall in the areas where that furniture is, because it's going to be hard to read. So things to think about. Let's do a recap. 16 by 9 on YouTube, Vimeo. If you're posting videos to your website, 16 by 9, like you're looking at right now. Everywhere else, 9 by 16. And now, if you need any more help with this, want help with learning how to reformat videos, then let me know. Oh, one other thing which I didn't mention is you should really be posting two separate, completely separately recorded videos for platforms. So if you're doing a video like I am right now for YouTube, this video is not going on any other platform. It's not going on LinkedIn. It's not going on Facebook or YouTube or Instagram or any of those, because they're a different audience. I'm going to do a shorter version for them, which I'm going to film in a minute, which is going to be completely different. So therefore, your longer video sits on YouTube, your short one sits on every other channel, but that's a different story for another time. Now, if you need any more help with making videos for aspect ratios, there's a link coming up with a lot more information all about that very subject, and a couple of other videos you can watch too. Have a great day. Bye.